Welcome to our review of the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if this Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam right for you. Let's dive in. When it comes to choosing the best dash cam for your vehicle, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is a standout option that effortlessly blends advanced technology with user-friendly features, offering everything a modern driver could need. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video quality, dual-channel recording, or reliable parking surveillance, this dash cam does it all, and does it remarkably well. Designed for performance, packed with high-end specs, and built for reliability, this dash cam doesn't just record your drives, it enhances your peace of mind every time you hit the road. The Rove R2-4K Dual captures your journey in stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution from the front camera and 1080p Full HD from the rear camera. Thanks to the 3840 by 2160p at 30 frames per second front and 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second rear resolution, every detail on the road ahead and behind is captured with impressive clarity. With a 150-degree ultra-wide angle lens in the front and a 140-degree wide rear lens, it ensures no important details are missed from any direction. This makes it ideal not only for daily commuters, but also for rideshare drivers or long-distance travelers looking to document their drives or protect themselves from false claims. Equipped with the powerful Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, the R2-4K Dual excels in low-light conditions and nighttime driving. The f1.5 front aperture and f1.8 rear aperture allow for superior light intake, delivering videos with exceptional night vision capabilities. You'll get vivid colors, sharp contrast, and incredible detail even during evening hours or in poorly lit areas, making it your perfect companion around the clock. Another reason this camera stands out is its ultra-fast 5 GHz/2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. With the free Rove app, users can download 4K videos at up to 20 megabytes per second directly to their smartphones, manage settings, and even update firmware seamlessly. Sharing stunning driving footage to social media or saving an important clip to your phone has never been quicker or easier. Integrated built-in GPS offers another layer of protection and convenience. It records your exact speed, driving route, and location onto each video. These can be easily reviewed using Rove's free GPS player software for PC or Mac. This GPS data becomes invaluable during disputes or for revisiting past trips, offering undeniable video evidence with location-based insights. Packed with high-end features, this dashcam doesn't stop there. You'll find motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording, and emergency video lock for accident events. It even includes voice guidance, a screensaver, and Live Speed Plus compass display. The dashcam runs on a built-in supercapacitor, which enhances product lifespan and reliability in extreme temperatures. Also included is a 128GB microSD card, and it supports storage of up to 1 terabyte, which means you're ready to go right out of the box. Its 24/7 custom-designed parking mode provides reliable surveillance when you're away. With 3 modes, 1 frame per second time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection, it ensures your car is protected at all times. If something happens while parked, the camera records a 1-minute locked video and even alerts you with voice guidance when you start your car again. For those who want the best in dash cam technology, performance, durability, and innovative features, the Rove R2-4K Dual delivers exceptional value, peace of mind, and all-around excellence on the road. What we like: 1. Stunning 4K clarity with dual recording. 2. Super night vision with Starvis. 2. 3. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi video downloads. 4. 24/7 parking mode with alerts. What we don't like: 1. Hardwire kit sold separately. Second rear cam wire requires routing.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.